Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you Java assignment operator. So let's get started. So the addition assignment operator is a shortcut of adding a value to a variable, and by using the plus equal to addition assignment operator. Like, I'll show you an example of the addition assignment operator and the shortcut of adding a value to a variable and all of that stuff. Okay. So basically, I'll just write int any variable. For example, f is equal to 65 and semicolon 2, and then I write and then I write f is equals to f plus 78. Okay, then system.out.println. I don't know. Wait. The shortcut of system.out.println, it's not working. Oh, okay, finally it worked. Okay, inside these parentheses you need to write the variable f or any variable that you wrote, and then run it, and then it's gonna give you the result 143 because you're just adding f 65 with 78, and when you add it with it, and when you add, it's gonna give you the result 143. So this is this is what you're supposed to write. F is equals to f plus 78. But like if someday you get tired of writing or keep writing like this, f is equal to f plus 78, there's a shortcut for that, which we call it the addition assignment operator. Instead of writing this plain old boring code or this stuff, you just need to write f plus is equal to your addition or your sum, and then so it's gonna give you the same result as before. So this is just a shortcut of adding a value to a variable instead of doing f is equals to f plus 78. This is so plain old boring, it's too boring, and so it will look so ugly when you write it in a code or something else like that. So there's a shortcut for that, the addition assignment operator. And also if you write the opposite of plus equal to, which is equal to plus, here I will write f is equals to plus and then my previous sum, then it's gonna give you the result 78, and it's gonna do nothing at all because equals to plus doesn't do anything. So if you want to add 65 with 78, you need to use plus equals to. But in some weird cases you just you want to print nothing but just this 78, you can write equals to plus, then it will literally just print 78 instead of adding 65 with 78. And guys, that's it for today's video. So make sure to like, share and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.